transmission parameters are ABCD parameters. ABCD parameters. Sometimes it is called transmission parameters because in the transmission line, for example, the power lines from one power station to another distribution line. Let us assume that 22 kilovolt line is there. Tower line is there. This is the tower line from one place to another place. For that, the mathematical model of this transmission line will be represented by ABCD parameters. They used to represent by ABCD parameters. That's why it is called transmission parameters. For example, suppose the power is transmitted from Neyveli to Pondicherry. In that case, ABCD parameters can be represented by V1 equal to A V2 minus B I2 and I1 equal to C V2 minus D I2. Here, this A is equal to V1 by V2. V1 by V2. It means input voltage divided by output voltage provided I2 equal to 0. It means I2 equal to 0 means output to open circuit. This is called V1 by V2. It is called reverse voltage ratio. Reverse voltage ratio. This is obtained by opening the output. No current is taken. In that case, the ratio between input voltage and output voltage is called A. C equal to I1 by V2. I1 by V2. That is called reverse transfer current by voltage. That's why it is admittance. It is between input current and output voltage. That's why it is called, provided I2 equal to 0. I2 equal to 0. This is called reverse transfer admittance. Reverse transfer admittance. Another parameter. This is obtained. These two are obtained by assuming I2 equal to 0. That is, output is open. Similarly, we can find B. B equal to V1 divided by I2. V1 divided by I2 provided V2 equal to 0. V2 equal to 0 means output is short circuited. Output is short circuited. It is a ratio between input voltage and output current. That's why it is impedance, but reverse transfer impedance. Reverse transfer impedance. And D equal to I1 divided by I2 provided V2 equal to 0. That is, it is a ratio between current. Therefore, reverse current ratio. Reverse current ratio. Now let us consider on sum and find ABCD parameters. Find ABCD parameters. To find the ABCD parameters for this given circuit, what is ABCD parameters? V1 equal to A. Here B equal to minus sign. We forgot that minus sign. Minus B equal to minus V1 by I2 provided V2 equal to 0. Output is short circuited and this is called a reverse transfer impedance. V2 by I2. That's why reverse transfer impedance. D equal to minus I1 by I2 provided V2 equal to 0, this is called reverse current ratio. Why reverse? Input by output. That's why it is called reverse. All are reverse parameters because all are input by output. That's why it is called a reverse voltage ratio, reverse transfer admittance, reverse transfer impedance, and reverse current ratio. Now let us find the ABCD parameters for the given circuit. We know that V1 equal to A into V2, A multiplied by V2 minus B multiplied by I2, and I1 equal to C V2 minus DI2. To find that ABCD parameters, let us assume that first let us assume that I2 equal to 0. If you assume I2 equal to 0, what you will get? A equal to V1 by V2 and C equal to I1 by V2. I1 by V2 provided I2 equal to 0. Here also I2 equal to 0. I2 equal to 0 means we have to assume I2 equal to 0 means V2 is open. Output is open. Now I2 equal to 0 means there is no drop across this 4 ohm. That's why this is virtually not in that circuit. Only this 2 and 10 ohm are in series. Therefore, V1, this 12 ohm is the equivalent resistance. Current through this is I1. Therefore, V1 equal to 12 I1. Let it be 1. What is V2? There is no drop in 4 ohm. Drop across this 4 ohm is 0. Therefore, V2 equal to 10 I1. Therefore, V2 equal to 10 times I1. Let it be 2. From these two, we can find A. A equal to what? V1 by V2. That is equal to 12 I1 divided by 10 I1. That is equal to 1.2. A equal to 1.2. We got one result. We have to find C. C equal to what? C equal to I1 divided by V2. That is equal to I1 divided by V2 equal to 10 I1. 10 I1, I1 getting cancelled. Therefore, 1 by 10 equal to 0.1. C also we got. Now let us find other two parameters. For that, we have to assume that V2 equal to 0. V2 equal to 0. That means output is short circuited. Output is short circuited. V2 equal to 0. V2 equal to 0 means I2 is not equal to 0. I2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, this 10 ohm and 4 ohm are in parallel. 10 ohm and 4 ohm are in parallel. 2 ohm, this is 10 ohm, this is 4 ohm, this is V1, this is I1. So 10 ohm and 4 ohm are in parallel. Therefore, R equivalent equal to 2 plus 10 parallel with 4. 2.86. 2 plus 2.86, that is equal to 4.86 ohm. Therefore, V1 equal to 4.86 I1. 4.86 I1. But what is B? B equal to minus V1 by I2. V1 by I2 provided V2 equal to 0 and D equal to minus I1 by I2. I1 divided by I2 provided V2 equal to 0. From this, we can write expression for V1. V1 equal to 4.86 I1. Similarly, we can write expression for I2. I2 in terms of I1, we have to write I2 equal to what? Current through 4 ohm. I2 equal to current through 4 ohm. That is 4 ohm. that is equal to current through 4 ohm is this I1 is divided into two parts. One part is through 10 ohm, another part is through 4 ohm. They are in parallel. That's why I4 ohm equal to I4 ohm equal to I1 times. But I1 and I2 are in opposite direction. That's why we have to put minus sign. Other branch resistance 10 ohm divided by 14, 10 by 14 multiplied by I1, multiplied by I1, I2. Therefore, we can write this is the expression for 1, let it be 2. This is expression for I2. We need V1 by I2. Therefore, we can write V1 divided by I2 minus V1 by I2. That is B equal to minus V1 by I2 minus V1 equal to what? V1 equal to 4.86 I1. 10 by 14. 10 by 14 equal to 0.71. That is equal to 0.71 I1. Therefore, we can write minus 0.71 minus 0.71 I1. That is equal to 6.84. 6.84 plus minus sign getting cancelled. Therefore, B equal to 6.84 equal to B. B equal to 6.84. Now we got B. D we have to find. D equal to what? Minus I1 divided by I2. The expression for I2 is minus. It's available in the equation number 2. Minus 0.71 I1. That is I2. We can substitute I1 as if you get I1 getting cancelled, therefore minus 1 by D equal to minus. As per formula, 1 minus sign, this is 1 minus sign. That's why these two getting cancelled, therefore 1.4, D equal to 1.4. So we got all the 4 parameters. We got all the 4 parameters.